Okay, I got the right size this time. So this is a 4-0. So sorry about that. Anyway, see if I can dial this down a little bit. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is chain 45. So you make a slip knot. I don't know how you make your slip knots, but I always do mine like I'm gonna do a magic circle. It's just a habit. It's easier for me. So there's my slip knot. And I'm gonna chain 45, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 23, 4, 25, 26, 7, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Okay, so I have 45. So let's lay it out. I hope it's 45. I might have messed up, but it doesn't matter because we got to have at least 9 inches, right? So I'm going to lay this out, and it's a little longer than 9 inches. I must have not crocheted it as tight as I want it to, but you know what? I like this size because I'm going to start my first row in the second stitch from the needle. And then this will give me a little bit more sides because they said 3.2 centimeters or something like that, right? So if it's 3.2 centimeters, you're probably gonna have you want an inch on each side. I don't know. Yeah, maybe an inch on each side. So that might work out. Let's leave it there. That's 45. And I mean, you can do it bigger or smaller if you want to. And then I'm going to go in the second chain from the hook and do a single crochet. Excuse my fingers, what did I do? Well, my nails look bad. So much, I'm digressing. So that's 1, and you're gonna go all the way across and do single crochets for at least 44 stitches, okay? So let's go ahead and finish this row of single crochets, 44 stitches. It's hard for me to hold this phone around my neck. I got this neck ring or whatever you call it, but I've dropped it so much it's cracked my screen. So let's just hope that you can see what I'm doing. So we're gonna go ahead and go all the way to the end. Once you get to the 44th stitch, we'll be ready to go to the next row, okay? So just keep going.